monster, the sound of my bed. Yellow with the voices, the sound of my head. She trying to change me, so I'm holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, and you think I'm crazy. Alright. Every time when I feel like crying, I don't waste time. Cause the pain that I face in you, maybe gonna make me die. It's 15 hours been crying, and it was Christmas time.
Else can you choose up boy coach and back I'm sure.
Okay.
BK, so like if they want to we can get to the TikTok, Insta, to the
IG.
IG.
Official book underscore RSA.
Guys, please go follow her. So like me na I have just one question. Nakwa baba.
Yeah, I'm not.
Still qede vandag, yabo.
Still good.
Yeah.
Hi, boy. Still good.
Wena bambala. Yaptela bambala kuphela. Bambala.
Hello. Jean.
Shapan,
Nakuhlaba kwathabitha
Simply,
nakubuka umsebenzi. Akubona ukuthi angihadla wa. Okay, ahake phela.
Yo, stuck in the cycle.
are you crazy?
Don't know what to do.
What's her episode?
Yo, stuck in the cycle.
are you crazy?
Don't know what to do. But you know what? I'm gonna change myself.
So like please rate him out of 10.
6.
Why 6?
Angazi baka 6.
I'm rate
5.
5. Why 5? That's the company.
I can meet.
Okay. So like is your type Mfalo? Why?
Angadate lesbian.
Is your type? Eh?
Yeah, alright.
Fair nyama mfasikatsa kwa thamni. Tango. Tanga phezulu. Ask you choose sizo boy coach and pick up you. Studio for the what? Studio for the baby. Yeah, ciao. But so like if they want to we can get you that TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Do you have go up? Yeah. Mama my boy. Bulale ne. Hello.
Hello,
Njani?
Shapan,
Nyaphela ban kamala.
Simply,
Simple. Bathi ngikushela.
Hey banna. Hey banna.
ukwebakazazi lo muntu uzeleni la.
Utheni kuye kanti? Hey my sister. Hayi man. Yeah.
Uyangibuza ukuthi uthi wena umtshela ukuthi angishele maye uyangibuza ukuthi vele angishele na ikhona into enjani.
Masisha come on. So like please rate him out of 10.
-2.
Boy, please rate her boy. Fresh ne? Yeah, okay. Yazi boy. Ngizokufundisa fedi yabo boy. Awungafi boy. Yeah, cause ask you to boy coach and I'm back. But yeah guys, so like in today's video I will be asking hands in my school that am I their type now. Without further ado, let's get into it. Else YouTube to boy coach and I'm back. I'm sure. Spoggers. If they want to work and get to la pair. Yeah, it's fine. Sim 4. Oh guys, please call for Sim 4. So look on here. Do I qualify to choose your type? I think am I your type? So yeah. Why?
Bored.
Yeah.
Bored.
Oh, so like if like I can gym.
Yeah.
Umzimba kuphela kahle kahle inkinga la.
Yeah.
Okay ke lona.
Alright, but face.
Yabo mfasikhatha. Uslanda moseni.
Yeah, yabo, but
Okay, yabo. Phezulu. Ask YouTube sizo boy coach and pay come here.
Khatabini.
So like if they want to work and get to that TikTok, Instagram when you tholakala.
Instagram. It's short, it's short. Yeah.
Manje angitshene. Bangibheka mina ne. Am I your type and why? Yeah.
Oh.
Angichazi ne.
No, like ne. Ayikho into wrong engawe ne. Wait nje kuphela otherwise nje yonke into right.
Also like mina, if I can yehla ne, will you date me?
Mangithola i-chance.
Type yakho ke lo. Cameraman kena. Hayibo, uslender mos cameraman. Akachazi ne. Thank for isikhathi sakho neyinka. Thank ne. Ask YouTube sizopoye kuthina Beckham Show.
Google.
So like, if they want to where can I get to that TikTok, Instagram and itholakala kuphi?
TikTok.
Yeah, it's bad.
Google Ntsana.
Guys, please go follow him. So like ish. Mangibheka nami. Ayo type and why? Hayi ukhuluma ungafi yabo. Ngitshela indaba zami nje.
Sithatha.
Why?
Eish.
Ukhuluma ungasabi why? Why? Angichazi ne.
Yeah.
Lona type yakho yena.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm short.
Yaba ngafe isikhathi sakho ne. Thank you. Ask YouTube sizopoye kuthina Beckham Show.
Sixova.
Siqova wena.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like angitshele ne. Ish. Manje ngibona ne mina. Ayo type and why? Dlulana. Ya kulenga ngizokukhaza dlula. Why?
Nje. Awusiyiyo nje like jelani.
Angichazi or like nje. Ngiyachaza.
Umuhle ne mara angithanda umuntu ini. Yeah, angithanda umuntu ositula like kumele ube mude kunami yabo.
Nakho umuntu kunawe.
Awukho umuntu kunami.
Irizini yakho lena.
No, I don't prefer like thick guys.
Type yakho ke lokho like uslender.
No,
Why?
like ngijolana nama-hotman man.
Yeah.
Yabo, yeah, like umntwana.
Also like wamapholo so or
Bantwana besikolo, but then ke 11 up till matric.
Example.
Yeah.
Example le pops. Abamazi pops.
Okay, pop nyawa ngesikhatsini ne. Yabo.
Yo.
Thank ne.
Stop exciting.
Are you crazy?
You know what
So
you mean?
guys, this will be the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I'm gonna change myself.